Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, let's talk a little bit about taxes. Sleepy Joe Biden said that he will remove the tax cuts that President Trump has put in place. Then he says he would not raise taxes on anyone making less than $400,000 a year. That is a lie on both parts. One, if he takes away the tax cuts, that would be the same thing as raising taxes. Two, if he raises tax on people making over $400,000, think about it. These are the people that owns businesses. They employ people. And they would just pass that higher business expense on to everyone else. Wouldn't that be the same as raising taxes on everyone? So whether you pay more in taxes or not, you will still be paying more for everything you need. Isn't it about the same thing? And by raising taxes, he will cost more Americans jobs. He says that he will raise taxes on only the rich. That's a lie. Anytime you raise taxes on the rich, it trickles down to everyone else. If you don't believe this, wait and see. It will happen. Back to President Trump. He is now saying that China will pay for this pandemic with higher tariffs. But if you remember, Mexico was going to pay for the wall also. It's just something to think about. Okay, let's get back to stimulus. We only need 13 Republicans to get a deal on stimulus. We now have 12 in agreement, so we only need one more to flip and say yes in the Senate, and we would have a stimulus package if we can get a deal between Mnuchin and Pelosi. And it does look good that that will happen. It's just a matter of when and how much do we have to please Crazy Nancy. This is something I asked yesterday, but I'm going to ask it again. If you remember back when this pandemic first started, all the other countries in the world was fast to give their people stimulus packages and stimulus checks. Canada is giving each person $2,000 a month, every month, until it's over. They have from the beginning and they still are. Now, if we live in the best country in the world, and in the past 6 months we've only got one check for $1,200, I just can't understand what the holdup is if we're the best country in the world. It's just something else to think about. Y'all, President Trump said on Fox Business yesterday, when he was asked, would you raise your offer above $1.8 trillion? He said, yes, I would. This wasn't caused by our people. It's go big or go home. How many times are we going to hear that go big, go home stuff? President Trump, it's time to go big. Nancy Pelosi, Mitch McConnell, it's time to go big. Then, as usual, President Trump started pointing fingers again, saying, but Nancy Pelosi does not want to give anything that she thinks would help the election, and she is holding things up. I believe what Donald Trump is saying there. I believe it's true. I also believe that it's way past time to stop pointing fingers. There's enough blame to go around to everybody a few times in Washington. Everyone. Then President Trump was asked, would he pick up the phone and call Nancy Pelosi? He said, sure I will, but she has mental problems. So in reality, he was saying, no, I won't. The two have not spoken in over a year. How can they come to agreement with anything if they're not speaking? Y'all, something happened here in my hometown, in my state of Florida. And the question is, how many times has it happened and hadn't been detected? How many times has it happened everywhere and not been detected? Or is it part of a big scam? There was a big spike in COVID in the state of Florida. Somebody uncovered information that led them to find out the numbers in August was added to September. Why did this happen? Was it to inflate the numbers, or was it really a mistake? And how many times has it happened and nobody's caught it? And how many times has it happened in other states and nobody's caught it? I think it's a way to inflate the numbers myself. I know COVID is real, but come on now. These numbers don't lie unless they're put in wrong. Y'all, these politicians are acting like little toddlers. No, I'm sorry. Toddlers act better than they do. It's time they change their diapers and get off the pot. Y'all, it's time we vote them out of office, and we need to set term limits. And I've said it before, I've said it, and I'm going to say it again. No politician is going to let us vote on the choice of term limits. They will not allow that. It will never come to the ballot. So we have to set term limits ourselves. After they've served their term, we need to vote them out of office and get fresh blood. It's just like an employee. Once he worked, I've seen it many times in kitchens. Once an employee has worked there for so long, he thinks he can't be replaced, and he starts slacking off. That's the same thing these politicians are doing. They've been there so long, they don't think they can be replaced. We need to show them that they're wrong. We need to vote them out in November. Y'all, thank you so much. We passed 80,000 subscribers on this channel. As of last night when I checked, we was at 80,130. We gained probably 225 yesterday. So I have y'all to thank for that. Remember, Sunday we got another contest coming. I want y'all to let me know. Do you want cash or do you want a physical prize? I'm not going to tell you what the physical prize is. I'm not going to tell you how much the cash will be. Just leave it in the comments. What would you rather it be? I'm going to let y'all decide that. But we will have that contest Sunday. That contest is only for subscribers. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video and you want a chance to win either money or a prize, and we do this every weekend, you got to subscribe to this channel. Once we get to 100,000 subscribers, and it's not far off, we will have a big contest of $1,000. For 10 days, I will be giving away $100 each day to a lucky person. It could be you if you're subscribed. It won't be you if you're not subscribed. Y'all, please check out my other channel. The video is popping up here in just a few minutes. And go check that video out. Leave your comment. Let me know you was there. And please subscribe to that channel. And just as soon as we get monetized over there, I'm going to have good contest over there. It's a culinary cooking type channel. And the prizes every week will be some kind of kitchen gadget. And they will be good gadgets. It won't be dollar store stuff. It will be good prizes you will want to win. And right now, where the channel is just starting, you have a very good chance of winning. Y'all, I love you all. Until 12 o'clock today, y'all please come back and watch that video. And if something else pops up, I will have another video later. Y'all please go check out that other channel. Help me grow that channel. I love you all. Keep faith in God that He will see us through this. I know He will. He will not bring us to anything unless He's going to bring us through it better than we were before. I have faith in God. He brought me through a lot of stuff, and I'm better than I was before. He can do the same thing for our country, for our leaders, and everyone that's hurting from this whole pandemic and our government situation. I love you all. Ciao.